Welcome back to Almost Outdoors. Today, we're at Cunningham Falls State Park in Thurmont, Maryland. Came here to do a little bit of overnight camping. Right now, we're about to finish up our fishing adventure for the day. Well, I went to go tinkle, and then the native Indians of the Cunningham Falls State Park. I went to go tinkle, I washed my hands. They're still a little muddy. And then I got this.
I didn't catch anything.
Doesn't surprise me.
Sadie did.
Well, a few, yeah.
She just caught one.
Oh, okay. Let's go check it out. So we're gonna do a little bit of hot dog grilling, make some mac and cheese when we get back. It's almost 8 o'clock, so I think they close this section down around that time. We'll go back and sing Kumbaya around the campfire, cook some hot dogs. And you guys catching anything?
No, I just saw a little like 12-inch bass swim by.
I don't feel any.
It's starting to rain too, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm ready to head back if you are.
Yeah.
I am.
Dogs and mac on the fire.
Subscribe to Almost Outdoors.
Such a goof. You know that's going in the video, right? Watch your hook. Hit me.
Remember when you're in the outdoors. No nuts, no butts, no coconuts.
Ooh.
Or you'll be itchy.
Whoa, it's bumpy.
We have made it back to the campsite. It's time to make a little bit of fire. Make some hot dogs, some mac and cheese.
You need little wood.
Under the supervision of Papa as he splits the wood. So dinner should be about ready. Hot dogs are on the fire.
Yes, it's in the.
Brian is in control of those.
Looks like from Chick-fil-A, the plastic one. And they're all inside there. All kinds of.
Oh yeah. Hot dogs and sausages. Yum yum, get you some. And we got some of the finest macaroni and cheese over here made by Papa. I'm like eating underneath the moonlight.
Baby, don't run into the light.
Hi, boy.
Hello.
Mom, do this. Just do mom's. You look creepy. Do mine. Oh, look at Dad's cup.
Oh gosh.
That's cool.
Old black light, who knew?
Wait, is
Shine on the
that?
ground. See what you can see on the ground.
Use your truck door.
Yeah, it just depends on.
Oh, that looks cool.
That's a Mickey blanket.
Having fun in the rain.
I put
With a black light.
your jacket,
Fire's rolling.
front left corner.
Dinner's done.
of the tent, okay? And your gloves are in there as well.
Your chair.
I don't know where your beanie is.
Just hanging out.
Oh, yeah.
There's about 100 conversations
Your
going
bag
on
is under your
while we're
your bag is
videoing,
under your
so.
pillow.
Here, put that in the trash can.
What is it?
Trash from Sadie's fishing lure.
Hey, Mom.
Ah!
What?
S'mores coffee creamer.
Who knew?
Exactly. Who knew? I'm a fan of black coffee, but this, that's a cat's ass. Time to go to bed. We shall reconvene in the morning with some sausage, taters, and some eggs. It's starting to rain, so we're getting ready for bed. She made her bed. You might want to shut the front door. Girls and Papa are gonna be in there.
Forget it.